Guys, I have a new pen. Oh my god. The first pen that I made was I'm gonna feel stuffing. Not gonna feel stuffing because look at it. I love it. Let's comb it a little bit. I want to comb my pen. Hey, my cotton flies. Oh my god, I have a new pen. I'm not showing my face because I'm a furry. I mean a Tyrian. I'm not showing my face until I'm 8. Sorry for that cringe one. I love it. I also have another one like you. I also have another one that I can use for my mask right here. And I'm just gonna use this as a mask, please. Hi. You wanna see anything? Nope. Just white. I think I'm just gonna be a fairy. Oh, Tyrian later, guys. I'm not doing that. Still fairy though. I'm a Tyrian. Don't mind my grandpa on the back. In my pouch. Yeah. I don't need that in my pouch. Now I'm a little fairy. I have ears. Oh yeah, I don't need to use this one. I don't have them anymore, but I can make a mask. This smells so good. This smells so good.